Hello and welcome to Invoice Training Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set recurring invoices. With this feature, you can set up standing invoices that repeat on weekly, monthly, or yearly and charge your client's card optionally. To create a recurring invoice, click New Invoice and after adding your items and client, scroll down to the Date and Time section. Under this tab, you need to click Setup Recurring, and from this window, you can select the recurring type. The first option allows you to manually select specific days, perfect for repeating only certain random days. The second option is all about weekly invoices. For example, you can set it up to repeat every Friday, creating a regular weekly billing cycle. Option 3 is designed for monthly invoices, mimicking the pattern of subscriptions. This is great for those consistent monthly billings. And for those long-term commitments, the fourth option is ideal. It lets you generate yearly invoices, perfect for handling annual subscriptions. Okay, I select monthly in this example and you will see that every month, the selected date is now repeated. If you need to exclude any days, for instance, a specific day for a holiday, please select the date again, which will turn red, meaning this day will be skipped. And if you need to include some extra days, you can also select those days manually. If you need to end the recurring on a specific date or after certain occurrences, please use this bottom section. Okay, now that you have selected the type and the dates, please save this page and you will see the details here. Then, click on View and Activate. On the next page, an activation pop-up will open. Check the details and click Continue. In this step, you must choose a type. The first option will only create an invoice as a draft, and you will need to send that to your client. This is useful if you want to have different monthly items or amounts. So you can edit the draft invoice and make adjustments, then send it to your client. The second option is to generate the invoice and email it to your client. You can use this option if you want your client to pay independently. With this option, we only generate the invoice and email it to your client. The third option is to auto-charge the invoice. With this option, we will charge the invoice each time and send a receipt to your client. You must enter your client's cards and save or select a saved card on file. Okay. Now click on Activate and Email to inform your client of their recurring, or click Activate only if you're going to skip the email. Once activated, the recurring status will turn green, and your client will receive an email if you select the email option. The View History button is accessible to you and your client. It will list all the generated invoices. On every generated invoice, your client will receive a new email with the link to that invoice. To deactivate the recurring, you can use this button. You can view all your recurring invoices using the recurring button in this menu. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.